Welcome back, and today I want to talk about how to strengthen your calf muscle. And basically this is a group of exercise for the Shaolin iron leg skill. And the reason why you want to strengthen the calf muscle is you can block or defend, and it will condition the muscle. So if you want to go for like a sweep, or if someone is trying to sweep your leg, it will help give you a better balance. So basically what you're doing is you're putting your arm on their shoulder and your partner's got their arm on their shoulder, and basically you're just banging your calf muscle with theirs. And you can just do this until you're sore, or start off easy with 30 seconds. And then gradually increase the strength. And then you'll want to strengthen the other leg. And afterwards, you want to massage, at least give it a quick massage, working downwards, just to massage down, and then they massage your calf. And if you don't have a partner, you can find a small tree and just hold the tree, or a small pole, and bang your calf muscle. And this is one exercise of many for the iron leg technique. And until next time, have a great day.